is like 5 baby seals right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. There you can see, I know you can see a head or two right there. One of them just jumped like literally right behind Amber, which is crazy. There's a couple of them watching me right here. And see there, one just splashed right there. Kind of crazy. Amber thinks they're going to be in kind of territorial because he just splashed at you. There's one coming up right there. Freaking super cool, dude. Look, there they are. Say hi, baby seals. This is, see, there's one right there. I'm gonna try to sneak up on this little guy over here and get a good video of him. Oh, alright, I'm gonna go away. Obviously I'm scaring them, so I don't know if you can see that though. That's freaking cuter than shit. Little baby seals everywhere. Oh, look, they're nibbing each other. Oh, how cute is that? They were just giving each other lovies. Oh, super cute. Super duper cuties. Yeah, see, he's barking at me and stuff. Anyways, super cool. We're gonna go paddle across the other part of the harbor and see what else kind of stuff we can see.